In a growing city like Shakopee, homeowners and businesses alike need a dependable partner when unexpected property damage hits. That's why SOS Cleaning and Restoration is proud to provide fast, expert water damage repair in Shakopee, Minnesota, designed to restore your space and your peace of mind. Water damage isn't just an inconvenience. It's a threat to your structure, your belongings, and your health if left unaddressed. From sudden basement floods to hidden leaks, our team arrives quickly with industry-grade tools and a plan to take control. We also specialize in mold remediation, ensuring your indoor air remains clean and your building stays safe long after the water is gone. Our technicians are trained, certified, and committed to doing the job right the first time. No shortcuts, just results. With honest communication and detailed updates throughout the process, we keep you informed and confident every step of the way. Call us now at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaningandrestoration.com/areas-served-Shakopee-MN to schedule immediate service. SOS Cleaning and Restoration. When the unexpected happens, we help you recover quickly and safely.